Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to view logs in Base44. Now the first thing I want you to do is just come here to your workspace, go ahead and scroll down and open the app or project you want to view the logs for. And once this loads up, all I need you to do is come here at the bottom left and click on this gear cog and you'll see this menu pop up. From here, I just want you to go ahead and select this one here at the second last. Click on app settings. Okay, and here you should actually see logs on this left hand panel. Go ahead and select logs. You'll see all your different logs. So here we have the type, the user who made that log, the timestamp, and the input that was made. You can go ahead and filter this as well, even download and refresh them. Okay, but otherwise it's really that easy, and that is how you view logs in Base 44.